Hey guys, it's Mary. So, time got away from me in the month of May because I was gone for a week on vacation on my cruise. And then, you know, before you go on vacation, you're busy. Then when you get back, you're catching up on stuff. So, I missed giving you a look at the Waffle Flower sneak peek last month, so we're going to do two. So the sneak peek comes a month in advance. So this number 4 is the sneak peek for May, which came in April, and then this is a sneak peek for June, which came in May. So I'm late with this one and maybe a couple of days early for this one. So so if you recall, the sneak peek is just like they pick a few things out of that month's release, and they usually coordinate well with so that you can make a card or a layout or whatever with them. So the number 4 theme is happy birthday. So let's take a look at that one first. So we go in order. So they always come with this cute little card, and then it, you know, so that you can keep track of it. And then if I can get it out, there's a little QR code on the back so that you can scan it and watch videos on how they've used it. And then there's a couple of ideas back here, and then there's a Facebook group that you can join. So this one is birthday, and you know I've said over and over again how much Christmas and how much birthday I have, but I was pretty happy when I got this because you'll see, and this is the biggest birthday balloon I have ever seen. Look at that. It's huge. Let me open it up and measure it for you. I mean, it will take the entire real estate on the front of a card. And the nice thing is that their backing is magnetic. See? So look at how big this balloon is. It's so cool. And then it has die cuts for streamers, and then it says happy birthday, obviously. So from the top, let me put it this way so I can measure it better for you. Let me get this out of the way. From the top to the very bottom, it is between 5 1/4 and 5 1/2. And no, I'm not going to do the math. You figure it out. If you're one of those that can go, oh, that's 5 5/8 or 5 7/8 or 3/8 or whatever. I'm not the math person here. So it's going to be real estate on a 5x7 card, and then it's 4 inches, just about 4 inches across. And then it has all the little balloons. Isn't that cute? And then I love this. It comes with all these different streamers, you know, to come off the balloon. So you can make a really cute, see how they have them here, all the different ones. Really cute front of a card. And this would make a great shaker card. And then it comes with both in the white on black and the black on white. This one is already cut, so that all you have to do is peel it off. And then this one you just cut. And it says, HBD to you, have a special day to you. Make a wish, just a little late. Hurrah, treat yourself. Happy birthday wishes, fun inside, and many more. Happy birthday, let's party, surprise inside. It's party time, enjoy. So, got a lot of different cute sayings to go with the happy birthday as your main sentiment. And then, as I earned the subtext of the card. So, and now I just ruined that. So, all right, let me fix this and then we'll go on. So that is the number 4, and that is been available for the last few weeks. And so the June that came in May is looks like hugs, and has the little XOXOXO, and of course it has the QR codes so that you can scan. So let me know in comments if you are part of the sneak peek club. It's been fun to get things, you know, I mean, you don't know what you're going to get. All right, so this one, they're stuck together because they're, so I love this. Oversized hugs. So it's got the words and then it's got the outline. And then the XOXO, which will pop up on a card. And then I love this. This is Hugging Hands Die. And so there's a heart that's together. And then it shows, I don't know, let me see if you can see it. Shows the heart and then the hands wrapped around, hugging the heart. That's pretty cool. And it looks like it doesn't cut here, so it looks like it's gonna fold over so that you can open it. I'll let you know when but that's certainly looks that way. So I love the hugging hands. And then love these. Hello, sending hugs. Happy, thank you, love you. And it's like birthday, so happy birthday. Sending hugs, my friend. So cute little mini sentiments to go along with that. And then it has the little peel ones. So love and whatever, bear hugs coming your way, and kisses, hugs inside, you give the best. Healing and prayers, sending birthdays, sending miss your hugs. Oh. Sending hugs, sending paper hugs. Love your bear hugs, that's cute. Sending lots of hugs, sending birthday wishes. So lots of different ways that you can use those and the word hugs. So it's 24, I believe it's $24.95 a month, and it's month to month. You don't have to, you know, it's not like something that you have to go 3 months in advance or whatever. You just sign up for the subscription. I don't think though that you can I don't think that you can skip a month, though. I don't actually remember, so I could be wrong. You know, some places like Tonic lets you skip a month without an issue. Or Spellbinders doesn't have a, you know, skip a month. It's like you cancel and then you start again. So that's it. So like I said, let me know in comments if you got any of these singly, or if you've joined the sneak peek club. Also, some people have never heard of waffle flour, so if you're new to waffle flour, let me know that too. There's so many companies out there, you know. I'm always learning of a new company that I've never heard of before, so that's not gonna work. Yeah, so let me know. All right, so that's it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you've been thinking about it, you can hit that subscribe button. Then there's a bell that you can hit, and it will send you notifications and let you know when the next video is. And then you can share. Sharing is caring. So if you want to like a video and you want tell a friend about it, just share it. It's super simple. So, all right, so that's it for this time. Hope your summer is, well, it's just starting out and will be going well. It's mild here in California, so that's a good thing. It was very, very hot, and now we're just nice. So hopefully it stays that way where I'm at. So, all right, so that's it. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.